In today's session, we are going to learn a new topic, that is how to find the square of a number just below 100 and just above 100 in just 5 seconds. So are you excited? So okay, let's learn how we can find the square of a number just below 100 and just above 100 in just 5 seconds. Okay, so we are taking a number that is 97. So how to find 97 square in just 5 seconds? So in order to find 97 square in just 5 seconds, we need to take a number as base. So we know 100 is a standard number. So I take 100 as base. Then the next step is 97 is less than 100, right? So 97 is less than 100. So how much less than 100? It is 3 less than 100. Yeah, it is 3 less than 100. So our first step is write the number itself. Then since it is less than 100, we need to subtract the difference from that number, that is 97 minus 3. This is our first 2 digit. The answer of this basic operation will give you the first 2 digits. So 97 minus 3 is 94. So first 2 digits are 94. Then the next step is very simple. Take the square of this difference. Here difference is 3. So take the square of 3. That is 3 square is 9. But we need to express it as 2 digits. So 9 can also written as 0, 9. So here we need to note one point. If we are taking the square of the difference, then we need to express it in 2 digits. So 3 square is 9, and if the difference is 2, then 2 square is not 4, 0, 4. Okay, so 97 square is 9409. We can take another example, that is 94. So 94 square, same method, take 100 as base. 94 is less than 100. It is how much less? 6 less than 100. So our first step is write the number 94 itself. Then we need to subtract this difference from 94. Because 94, the number 94 is less than 100. So we need to subtract. If it was greater than 100, then we need to add this difference. So 94 minus 6 is, we know it is 88. So our first 2 digit is 88. Then next 2 digit is the difference square. Here difference is 6. 6 square is 36. So our answer is 8836. 94 square is 8836. Easy, right? So next, if the number is, what will happen if the number is above 100? So we can take 103 square. So same method, by using the same method, that is take 100 as base. We know this number 103. 103 is greater than 100, right? It is 3 greater than 100. So our first step is similar to the previous question. Yes, first step is write the number 103 itself, right? Then since this 103 is greater than 100, we need to add. In the previous case, we subtract because that number 97 or 96 is less than 100. Here 103 is greater than 100. So we need to add the difference with that number. So 103 plus, what is the difference here? It is 3. So 103 plus 3. 103 plus 3 is 106. This is our first 3 digits. Okay. Then the next step remains the same. That is find the square of the difference. Difference is 3. 3 square is 9. But we need to write it as 0, 9. Not simply 9, 0, 9. So the square of 103 is 10609. Easy, right? Now what will happen if the square of the number is 3 digit? So take 89 square. Using the same method, we know that 89 square base 100. So 89 is less than 100 by 11. So our first step is 89 minus that difference. 11 is 78. Then the next step is 11 square. What is 11 square? 11 square is 121. Right. So we get 7, 8, 1, 2, 1. But I already told you we only need 2 digits after taking the square of the difference. So we only need this 2, 1. This 1 is extra. So we need to take it as carry, or we need to add it to the next number. So 78 plus 1, it will become 79, and the remaining 2 and 1 can be written as 2, 1, right? So 89 square is not 78121, it is 7921. Okay, so similarly we can write what is 112 square. In the same way, take 100 as base. 100 as base. 112 is 112 is greater than 100 by 12. So our first step is write the number itself, that is 112. Since this number is greater than 100, we need to use the basic operation plus or addition, right? So how much greater than 100? This number, it is 12 greater than 100. So we need to add 12. So 112 plus 12 is 124. Then the next step remains the same, that is square of the difference. Here difference is 12 and 12 square is 144. But again, we only need the last 2 digits after taking the square of the difference. So this 1 is extra. So we need to add this one to the next term. That is 124 plus 1 will give you 125 and 4, 4. So 12544 is the square of 112.